In this video, you'll find out how to remove and clean the mixer bowl of your WMF1100s. Switch the machine off, open the door on the right-hand side of the machine, take the mixer bowl by the handle and pull it slightly forward and then lift it. This will allow any water left in it to drain. Next, remove the mixer hose and take it out of the guide. The two-part mixer bowl can now be pulled out and separated into the two parts. The two mixer bowl parts can be cleaned under warm running water as required. If they are very dirty, you can also soak the parts in cleaning fluid for at least 5 hours. All parts must be dried thoroughly after cleaning. You can now reassemble the mixer bowl and place it in the machine. Make sure it is correctly positioned. Finally, reattach the mixer hose, check everything is in the right position, and close the machine door. Your WMF1100s is now ready for use once more.